Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was a famous Indian scholar born in 1817. He believed that education was vital for the progress of the Muslim community. Sir Syed founded Aligarh Muslim University in 1875 to provide modern education to Muslims. He promoted the learning of the English language to bridge the gap with Western knowledge. Sir Syed worked towards the social reform and empowerment of women in his community. He believed in the compatibility of science and religion. His books like Asrarus Sanadid celebrated India's architectural heritage. He passed away in 1898 but left a lasting legacy in education and social reform. His efforts continue to inspire Muslims in India and beyond. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan's contributions paved the way for a more enlightened and progressive Muslim society.